swivel head faucet with spray holes. First off, the overall dimensions. The distance between the left and right faucet mount will be 9 inches. And coming to the top left corner will be the spout. Measurement for the faucet spout will include 12 inches. And coming to the center will be your retractable spray holes. Spray hose can be released, and whenever it's not in use, can be positioned back onto this tab holding the spray handle. Coming to the bottom will be a lever to release the water pressure, and whenever the lever is not in use, this ring will hold the lever in place. The height holding the spray hose will be 31 inches in height. And coming to the right will be the handle to release the water to the spray hose. Our faucet and spray hose combo will fit any of our stainless steel sinks that we sell through Cooler Depot. This is a demonstration on how it will look mounted onto our 2-compartment sink. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepot.usa.com for more information on this product.